In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect MySQL to n8n. Basically, first things first, you want to create a workflow on n8n, and then you want to add your trigger. In my case, I'll be adding a scheduled trigger. So my interval is going to be every 1 day. I'll click on the execute step to make sure that it works perfectly. And from there, we then have the ability to add the MySQL into our node right here. I'll just click on MySQL. In here, you have different actions like to delete table or rows, execute a SQL query, insert rows in a table, and more. So I'll just update my table on SQL. And from here, you then want to simply create your credentials. Now, if you don't know how to do this step, you can just click on the n8n AI for setup instructions. And from here, you have a detailed instruction on how you can fill everything up from host, database, users, and more. After waiting for a couple of seconds for the AI to do its thing, we have this simple instruction right here, which is a 6-step instruction. You can just follow this along and then that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides or everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.